Class 8th Science. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today your chapter 13 Food Production and Management. The question answer part 2nd. Let us start. What will be in your chapter? So first one it is given as a irrigation by the pulley. ये पुली है, वेल है, इसमें से कुएं में से जो है पानी बकेट के द्वारा बाल्टी के द्वारा ऊपर खींच लेते हैं और फिर खेतों में यानी कि फील्ड्स में डालना चालू कर देते हैं। ये दूसरा है आपका इरिगेशन बाय वाटर पंप के द्वारा कर लेते हैं, यानी ट्यूबवेल वगैरह होते हैं जिसकी वजह से हम सभी खेतों में यानी सभी फील्ड्स में वाटरिंग कर लेते हैं। सेकंड है आपका नेक्स्ट है चैप्टर आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, ये इरिगेशन बाय वाटर व्हील के द्वारा ये वाटर व्हील चल रही है यहाँ पे, जो वेल के अंदर से आता है पानी निकल करके और फिर ये नालियों के द्वारा होकर चला जाता है। अब आगे मॉडर्न टेक्निक आ रही थी, तो ओल्ड थी। मॉडर्न में ये क्या आता है विद स्प्रिंकलर से जो है ये अलग अलग ये लगा रखे हैं स्प्रिंकलर, ये चारों तरफ पानी जो है ये स्प्रिंकल करके डालता रहता है और ये पोरस कर्व से यहाँ पे दिखाए हुए हैं आपको, और हर एक खेत में आसानी से पानी पहुंचा देता है और इजिली हर एक के पास वाटरिंग हो जाती है। ये एक और दिखाई दे है, ये ड्रिप इरिगेशन है जिसमें ड्रॉप बाय ड्रॉप जो है उसको पाइप के थ्रू पानी को पहुंचा दिया, ड्रॉप बाय ड्रॉप ड्रिप इरिगेशन बोलते हैं इसको। तो ऐसे ही आपको ये दूसरा है, ये स्पेड है और ये ट्रोल्स हैं जो टूल्स टू कंट्रोल द वीड्स को कंट्रोल करने के लिए टूल्स हैं। अब ये क्या है, स्कैरो है जो कि खेतों में कपड़ा पहना करके एक आदमी का रख दिया जाता है और ये मुंडी वगैरह जो है कड़े वगैरह की बना के रख देते हैं जिससे कि ये महसूस हो कि यहाँ पे कोई पर्सन है। नाउ इट इज द स्प्रेइंग ऑफ इंसेक्टिसाइड को स्प्रे कर रहा है, ये जो इंसेक्ट्स लग जाते हैं उनको किल करने के लिए। ये एक और चीज देखो क्या है, ये क्या है, सिकल है और ये साइथ यानी कि दराती बोलते हैं इसको, और ये हार्वेस्टर है जो फसल को काट करके फिर थ्रेसिंग का काम करता है। ये रोलर है जो ग्राउंड को बिल्कुल लेवलिंग करने के लिए था। दैट इज द ट्रेडिशनल मेथड ऑफ थ्रेसिंग का ये ट्रेडिशनल मेथड है हमारा जो बहुत पुराना हो चुका है। ये एक और क्या है, ये सुपरसेशन है। सुपरसेशन में क्या मतलब, ये भी ट्रेडिशनल मेथड है थ्रेसिंग का, बहुत पुराना मेथड है इसमें। नाउ कम टू द न्यू टेक्निक। सो न्यू मशीन यूज फॉर द थ्रेसिंग, ये आपका थ्रेसर है, इसमें डाल करके हम आसानी से सीड्स को अलग कर लेते हैं। ये भी आपका एक कंबाइन हार्वेस्टर है जिसमें दोनों चीजें रहती हैं। सो इट इज द न्यू मशीन यूज फॉर थ्रेसिंग के लिए जो यूज करते हैं। इसके बाद जब सीड्स आ जाते हैं तब इसको स्टोरेज के लिए गोडाउन्स में ले जाते हैं और डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ स्टोरेज रखते हैं और साइलोस भी रखते हैं, उसमें भी रख लेते हैं इसको। नाउ कम टू द फाइंड द स्टेटमेंट विच आर करेक्ट एंड रीराइट द रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट करेक्टली। सो फर्स्ट वन इज खरीफ क्रॉप रिक्वायर्ड मोर वाटर than Rabi. It is true, so you have to write true here. Now second one is the pesticides and weedicides are not harmful to human being. इसका मतलब ये क्या है, ये false है आपका। Earthworms are harmful for crops, नहीं है, ये harmful नहीं होते हैं, so it is the false statement. Wheat is main kharif crops of our country, it is also false. There is a much carbohydrate and fat in mushroom, ये भी false है आपका। So you have to write all these answer. ये यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है देखो, ट्रू है फर्स्ट वाला, सेकंड वाला फॉल्स है। सो ट्रू क्या होगा, पेस्टिसाइड्स एंड वेडिसाइड्स आर हार्मफुल टू ह्यूमन बीइंग। सेकंड क्या है, फॉल्स था, ट्रू अर्थवर्म आर यूजफुल फॉर क्रॉप्स। सो फोर्थ भी फॉल्स है, इसका ट्रू क्या है, व्हीट इज मेन रबी क्रॉप्स ऑफ आवर कंट्री। नेक्स्ट वाला भी फॉल्स है, सो ट्रू क्या है इसमें, देयर इज मच प्रोटीन्स, विटामिन्स, मिनरल्स and fibers in mushroom. Write the short notes on this: milk production or pisciculture, apiculture or poultry farming, earthworm manure or mushroom culture and fertilizers, cold storage. So first one is the milk production. In our country, the number of cows and buffaloes is maximum. These are called the milk producing milch or dairy animal. So they are reared in large number in large farms. Milk production is the second largest production after rice. Rice के बाद दूसरा सबसे बड़ा production है। in agriculture. Buffaloes are the better produce, but cows are the mainly source in milk production. Milk production का source है cow. Now come to the for proper rearing of dairy animals, they need proper nutrition, care, shelter, health and breeding. By hybridization, improved breeding of cows and buffaloes are breeded. High yield breeded of cows are Frisian, Sahiwal, Holstein, Friesian and of buffaloes the breed is Murrah. Now, pisciculture. Large scale production of fish is known as fish production. Fish production farms and ponds are called fisheries. In these, fish are hatched and small fishes are produced. These are placed in a big pond for nourishment and growth where there is proper arrangement of food, oxygen and light. At times, fish are caught from these farms also. As per source of water where they are found, the fish grouped as non-salty water fish, katla, lobia, rohu and those in seas are ocean as salty fish, that is the tuna and cod. By reproduction and hybridization, new varieties which grow faster and in less time are developed. Beekeeping or apiculture. So, artificial rearing of bees are called beekeeping or apiculture. Bees are usually found in forests. They make their homes on tall tree and high building. These are called beehives. The special box prepared for bees rearing takes the place of their hives. All are life activities takes place in the boxes laying of egg by the queen bee. Larva hatching out of egg, formation of pupa, care of them by the workers bee, collecting pollen grain from the flowers and converting it into honey. All takes place in boxes. Honey is removed from these by hand or by machine. The collected honey is then kept in airtight bottles. Wax is also obtained along with the honey from the apiculture. Poultry farming, rearing hens, ducks and other birds for eggs and their meat is known as poultry rearing. Hens are prepared at home and also at farm. Hens sit on eggs for 21 days for them to hatch. This is the hatching period. In big poultry farms, eggs are hatched in special rooms or boxes called incubators. In this, the egg gets the required moisture and heat, which help in the growth of the chicken inside the egg and later helps in their hatching. The food given to the poultry contains small worms, insects, vegetation and also small pebbles. These pebbles help in crushing the food. These are mixed with limestone which help in the formation of the egg shell. In poultry farms, the shelter of the birds have proper ventilation and light arrangement. The droppings of the birds are used as manure. For high yield in eggs and meat, broiler improved varieties are obtained by hybridization. White Lathorn, Rhoda Island Red, ILS 82, B77 are some main varieties of this type. Second है earthworm manure or wormy composting. For quicker composting of organic matter, nowadays earthworms are used. Earthworms eat the decomposing or organic matter and their worms casting are rich in nutrition or nutrients. This is known as vermicompost. This has nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, etc. nutrients in sufficient quantity. Earthworm remove garbage from the environment and helps to keep the environment clean. It also provides manure. In this way, earthworms are useful to man in being environment friendly and a farmer friend. Mushroom. Medium of wheat husk or star is soaked in water for 14 to 20 hours and then it is boiled for 2 hours or processed with fungicides or antibiotics. Now water is drained away and the spores of the mushroom are mixed in it. This is now placed in polythene bags which have holes in it. This is then kept in a room with a temperature of about 20 to 25 degrees centigrade. In about 2 or 3 weeks, the whole medium changes into a ball of the white color. Now the polythene is removed and then this ball is hung by a string for 2 or 3 days. When this is covered with the small pebble-like structure, these develop into umbrella shape in 5 or 7 days. These are the mushrooms. Fertilizers. Some nutrients and nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium in the soil enriched by the farmer by adding chemicals. These are the called fertilizers. They are following type. First one is nitrogenous fertilizers. They provide the nitrogen required by the plant's main nitrogenous fertilizers are urea, ammonium sulfate, ammonium nitrate, etc. These are the necessary for leafy vegetable crops as cabbage, spinach, etc. and by their use these plants grow fast. Second है phosphatic fertilizer. These provide phosphorus required by a plant. By their use of roots and stem of the plant are strengthened. They are necessary for legume crops. Calcium superphosphate is a phosphatic fertilizer. Potassium fertilizer. These provide potassium required by the plant. These are the helpful to root crops. Potassium sulfate, potassium chloride and the main potassium fertilizers. Cold storage, fruits, vegetables and also potatoes, onion, garlic, ginger and other perishable crop products are kept in cold storage or warehouse. Main trend at low temperature. In cold storage, the low temperature stops the retards further ripening of the products and also growth of microorganisms and thus stops the production or product of spoilage. So that the draw sketch of the following farming tools. कौन सा पहले ट्रेडिशनल प्लग एंड सिंपल सीड्स ड्रॉपर और हीरोज. तो ये आपको दिखा रखा है. ट्रेडिशनल प्लग्स यहाँ दिखाया हुआ है आपको. ये है, इसमें क्या होता है, सॉफ्ट होता है, बट होता है और प्लग शेयर्स होता है और पॉइंट होता है. इसमें देखिए क्या होता है, इसमें भी बट होता है लेकिन सोयल ओवर और होता है टर्नर इसमें, और प्लग शेयर होता है और पॉइंट भी होता है. तो ये सारी चीजें होती हैं इसमें. और आज का जो मेन है ये हेरोस है. हेरोस में बट होता है और नीचे क्या है, प्लग शेयर्स हैं. ये आप इस तरह से बना सकते हैं इसको. अब चलते हैं नेक्स्ट पार्ट पे. हम You want to produce a legume crop in your school garden. What different farming steps would you follow? Write the steps in a sequence. Answer है necessary planning and the farming activities for farming of crops is called crop method or farming method. So different steps involving the farming are: first one is the selection of land, second one is preparation of land, third one is selection of seeds and seed treatment, and fourth is sowing of seeds, fifth है adding of fertilizer, sixth है irrigation, and seventh is weeding and weed control, and eighth is crop protection, and ninth is harvesting and threshing, लास्ट वन इज द स्टोरेज। इतने स्टेप्स हैं, स्टेप्स को चल के आप कर सकते हैं इसको। नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। विच मेथड ऑफ सोइंग सीड्स डू यू प्रीफर, द स्प्रेइंग मेथड और अ पंक्चर मेथड? सो यू कैन सी हियर, इन स्प्रेइंग और स्कैटरिंग मेथड द सीड्स are scattered throughout the field by handing, whereas in seeding or puncture method, machine is used to spread in field. In this method, the seeds are filled in a funnel. These seeds passes through the pipe or tube into furrows made by the plug. In this way, seeds are sown in a line and similar depth. Thus, in puncture or seeding method, the seeds are used properly and sowed in a proper way. Thus, this method is the best. Why is hybrid seeds considered better than the normal seeds? So, hybrid seeds are considered better than normal seeds because of the following points. First one is, hybrid seeds are of the better quality. Second one, it has selected characters. Third one, it has new, improved, better variety of seeds. Fourth one, it is less prone to disease. Write the names of the crops which are sowed by the planting method. So you can write the answer, the name of the crops which are sowed by the planting method: onion, chili, tomato, and cauliflower and brinjals. Write short notes on two new techniques of irrigation. So you can write the two techniques of the irrigation. First one is the sprinkler or fountain method of the irrigation. In this method, standing crops are artificially sowed with water. Water is passed at higher pressure through the pipe and it comes out through outlets of small pores fitted on wheel shaft in the form of shower. This method of irrigation is perfect in even lands where no other method is effective. Drip irrigation. In this method, water is sent directly to each plant from a compressor. Water flows through closed pipe and falls in drops through small minute pores. This method, fertilizer and other chemicals are also given to the plant. Due to what reason are the mushroom considered as a food production? So you have to write answer. Mushroom are considered as a food production due to following reasons. First one, has proteins. Second one, it has vitamin B complex. Third one, it has vitamin C, and fourth one, it has minerals and the fibers in large quantity. What do you understand by crop improvement? So you have to write answer: by adopting proper irrigation, fertilizers, manure and improved agriculture method, the production of food grains can be increased. Another method for a better yield is improvement of crops varieties. This process is called crop variety improvement or crop improvement. How can the fertilizer of soil be maintained by the crop rotation? When the same type of crops is continued again and again, then the fertility of the soil decreases. To maintain fertility of soil, different types of crops must be sown one after other. Usually, a legume crop is sowed after a grain crop, which helps in retaining the nitrogen in soil. Thus the fertility of soil can be maintained by crop rotation. The lesson is end. ये लेसन समाप्त हो रहा है। नीचे आपको लाल रंग का बटन दिखाई दे रहा है, इसको दबा के सब्सक्राइब करेंगे और मेरे चैनल को लाइक करेंगे, कमेंट जरूर करेंगे आपको जो भी अच्छा लग रहा हो, और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करना है जिससे ज़्यादा बच्चों को फायदा हो सके। बेल आइकन को भी दबा लेंगे जिससे मैं नया वीडियो डालूं तो उसका नोटिफिकेशन आप लोगों को मिल सके। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे। इसी के साथ मैं आर एस प्रसाद सर आज का वीडियो यहीं समाप्त करता हूं।